Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Happy March. I cannot believe we are already in March. I know, it's like, I say it all the time, but it's crazy. So today I just have some random stuff I need to do around the house. I have some dishes to put away that have been drying. I want to take out all of the stuff from the front porch. I still have like Christmas stuff out there, like a Christmas wreath. I'm gonna change that out. We're going to change out our February calendar to our March calendar. We are going to just do like a quick tidy around the house. I need to do like a quick dust, just like a Swiffer, do a quick vacuum, just a few tidying things. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. I do lots of cleaning, organizing, and motherhood videos. And I also started my own company, which if you are on the South Shore, you can look up my company. I'll put the website down below, but it is justcleanandorganized.com. So I will come to your house. I'll organize your garage, your pantry, your refrigerator, your closets, you name it. I'll do offices. I just did a video a few videos back where I did an entire stager, like for real estate. I did her entire warehouse. It was a massive project and it was amazing, the transformation, the before and after. So definitely look that up if that's something that you're interested in. And I will also be filming the videos for YouTube to put them on here so you can see all of the organizing as well on here. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna get started by going to the front porch and getting all that stuff taken off and definitely getting that wreath redone because it's not Christmas. I can't believe I've left it that long. It's not like super Christmassy, but it's Christmassy, you know what I mean? So we're gonna get that taken down. Let me give you a little view. It's just kind of, you know, that needs to get changed. I'm also gonna change, I may not change this out yet. I think I'm gonna go to the dollar store and do that, but at least we can take this one down and put a new one up.
I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. Looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention.
Underneath my sink, the organizational system part is really good, but it's just getting a little dirty. So I'm gonna take this all out and just give everything a good wipe down, and then I'm gonna refill my dishwasher pods as well.
For a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. Looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I.
All right, so the calendar is up and that is done. I got a few things at Target, so I figured I would show. I went with my friend and we went to Target today, and I actually used all of my points from my Fetch rewards. I always have that down below, linked for you guys. You literally just, I'm just gonna prop you up here. You literally just scan your receipts or link like your email in your Amazon account, and you just do like, either take a picture or have it like scan your email and it gives you points. So make sure you're using it, because I literally got $50 to Target. So I was very happy, and actually I spent exactly $50. So I had to pay nothing out of pocket. So I was very excited about that. I got Leighton's Easter dress. How cute. The back is just so darling. I love it. It is just so cute. I got her the size small, which is 6X, and this was $20. I can't, like, so cute. I hope she loves it. It's gonna look stunning on her. Then I got these sweatpants for myself. I just really liked the color of them. They're like a blue grayish color. I don't know, there was a small and a medium. I feel like the medium looks really big, but I think it will be fine. But I just thought those were really cute and comfy, and kind of like an in-between, because they're not like super, I mean, they're soft on the inside, but they're not that like fuzzy, super warm, like you're sweating in sweatpants, like that are good for like winter. So I figured these were like a good in-between where it's like crazy weather here. So I got those, and then I got this shirt, which I will stain immediately. My friend that we went with, I was like, I love this shirt. She's like, I can only wear those shirts once. I'm like, me too. Kevin always makes fun of me because I stain every shirt. Unless it's white. I mean, unless it's not white. I can wear any other shirt. If it's white, it has a stain. Like, I can put it on and it automatically, something just falls on it. But I thought this was super cute. Just this cute little, I don't know, just like a long sleeve, like basic top. And it's got like the little stitching up in the top, so I thought that would be like a cute little outfit. So that is that. But like I said, I spent exactly $50 and paid nothing. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, it says no tax, $50 payment. See if it will. I don't know. Gift card, 50 bucks. super easy. So I'm gonna put this stuff away. Then I am going to dust in here, and then I am going to vacuum, and then we're gonna be done. So I hope you guys enjoy like these type of videos. I'm going to be doing, I'm very excited and can't even speak. I am gonna be doing a ton of decluttering videos, and I've also been like struggling big time with like my anxiety and stuff. So I've noticed it has played a huge part in my eating habits and like my workout habits and all of that. So I don't know if you guys struggle with like anxiety, ADHD. I struggle with both. So I don't know if that's something that you guys want me to do a video on, but I am trying for like the entire month of March to really eat clean. You know, like 80-20, like I'm still gonna have ice cream here and there. I'm still gonna like, you know, get a pizza with my family on like a Friday night. But other than that, once in a while. But I'm going to really watch what I'm eating, watch what I'm putting into my body, get outside. I bought this, let me show you what it is. It's that like L-thiamine or something like that. It's like it's supposed to help with ADHD, L-tyrosine. I bought it on Amazon. So I figured it's worth a shot, and this will not focus. I think it's the sun. I don't know, let me see if it will work this way. Kind of, it's like the sun and the packaging of the bottle is not working with us, but yeah, there we go, that's better. That is what I got, and I am trying to take that. I actually got a kid version for Austin that I've put in, because he is my child, the poor thing. Through and through, he is all me. But this cover wasn't on. But I got him the same one, but it's like a dropper. And it's an organic attention and focus liquid drops, and it's all herbs. I also got that on Amazon, so I've been putting it in his orange juice, and he has no idea. So I want to see if like I see a difference. I feel like if he knows it's there, he's gonna be like, ugh, this doesn't taste good, I don't like this. Don't put that in my orange juice. Just out of, you know, like not wanting to, what is that, mind over matter kind of thing. So I am trying to figure all of that out, but you know, I'm not above talking to my doctor and all of that, but I really want to try all of this stuff first. So I'll let you know exactly how it's going and what I'm doing, but I was thinking about posting a video and like sharing exactly what I'm doing and kind of what I'm going through, because it's a lot. It's exhausting and it's just a lot, and I think decluttering is also going to help. So that was my point to that. So, but anyway, I am going to grab my duster and look at my linen closet. This is the longest it has ever stayed perfectly organized, and I'm very excited about that. So I've got my duster, we're gonna vacuum, then we're done.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. that you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love and leave me breathless, breathless.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Alright, and that is it for this video. The house is clean. Our March calendar is organized. I also make sure I go in and I put anything in like my phone or like my family planner like I have. But it just kind of keeps everything organized. But I only put things in the kitchen calendar that like pertains to everyone or everyone needs to know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you consider subscribing. Like I said, I have tons of cleaning, organizing, and motherhood content on my channel, and I have so much organizing and decluttering coming for you soon. I'm doing my clothes. I did my kids' clothes already. There's just so much to get rid of, and so much I think that will, like again, like I said, will hopefully help with decluttering my brain and like getting my anxiety and all that under control, but we'll see. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.